Hey everyone, welcome back to eTube Tech. Today, we're diving into what has already proven to be Apple's boldest iPhone lineup yet, the iPhone 17 series. Apple has officially unveiled not one, but 4 brand new models that are already redefining how we think about iPhones. Let's break it all down. The lineup kicks off with the standard iPhone 17, followed by the ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air, and of course, the twin powerhouses, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. The base iPhone 17 is a solid upgrade with its 6.3-inch display, 120Hz refresh rate, the efficient A19 chip, 8GB of RAM, and dual rear cameras. And the best part? It starts at just $799, making it one of the most tempting options in the lineup. Then there's the iPhone 17 Air, which introduces a whole new category. At just 5.5mm thin, it feels like the sleekest iPhone Apple has ever made. It sports a 6.6-inch screen, runs on the A19 Pro chip with a slightly toned-down GPU, and comes with a single but powerful 48-megapixel camera. Battery life sits around 3,000 mAh, but the lightweight design and premium build more than make up for it. Priced at $1,099, this is the thinnest and most elegant iPhone yet. Now for the heavy hitters, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. These models take performance to the next level with the A19 Pro chip, 12GB of RAM, up to 1TB of storage, and stunning adaptive 120Hz displays. The Pro Max pushes the envelope even further, packing in a massive 5,000 mAh battery and support for 35-watt wired charging, making it the longest-lasting iPhone in history. The cameras across the lineup are a standout feature. The iPhone 17 includes dual 48-megapixel lenses, while the Pro models add a brand new 48-megapixel telephoto lens for crisper shots, even if the zoom now maxes out at 3.5x instead of 5x. Every model also gets an upgraded 24-megapixel selfie camera, making it a huge win for creators and anyone who lives on FaceTime. Battery life has improved across the board, from 3,600 mAh on the standard iPhone 17 to 4,000 mAh on the Pro, and an impressive 5,000 mAh plus on the Pro Max. That's an iPhone first. On the software side, all 4 models run on iOS 26, which introduces the sleek new Liquid Glass interface and powerful AI-driven features like real-time translations, smarter FaceTime enhancements, and next-level visual intelligence tools. Overall, the iPhone 17 lineup is one of Apple's most exciting launches in years. We're seeing bold design changes, massive performance improvements, and entirely new categories with the Air and Pro Max leading the charge.
So, now that the iPhone 17 series is finally here, which one's calling your name? Are you leaning toward the ultra-slim iPhone 17 Air, or is the powerhouse Pro Max the one you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives here on eTube Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.